that you make personality yourself. The word personality has been derived from the Greek term persona, which means a mask on your face. A mask on your face. And remember one thing, personality is always deceptive. With your personality, you deceive people. In personality, the main thing is that your mannerism. Yesterday I wrote a proverb on the board. Speech reveals education, manners reveal family. Right? So whenever you go, so you have three things. Three areas. So, whatever you learn at home, you take it to your neighborhood. And whatever you learn in neighborhood, you take it to your house. Right? From here, from house to you go to school. Whatever you learn at school, you bring it to your house. And whatever you speak here, you take it to neighborhood. And whatever you learn in the neighborhood, you take it to your house. These are the three main elements. House, neighborhood, and school. So whatever you learn at school, school is the first school, house is the first school, mother is the first lab. You learn many things at mother's lab, that is why you call it mother tongue, not father tongue. You always call it mother tongue. Why do you call it mother tongue? Because you learn things at the lab, in the lap of mother. So you call it mother tongue, not father's tongue, right? So mother is very important. So there is a proverb that life without mother is possible. Life without mother is possible, but life without teacher is not possible. So teacher plays a very vital role in your life. Teacher plays very vital role in your life. So whatever you learn at home, you bring it to the neighborhood. Whatever you learn in the neighborhood, you either bring it to the school, and whatever you learn at school, you bring it to neighborhood and then you bring it to your house. So at home, if you have got the good environment of speaking English, so you bring it to the neighborhood. The neighbors learn from you. And whenever you go to school, you learn something. Then you bring back to house, you speak to your parents, you speak to your sisters, your siblings. Right? And first thing is mannerism. As he said one day when he was speaking to my friend, he said one thing that was very good when he was talking about mannerism. That all the bearded people, they are ill-mannered. They park the bikes here and there, they spit on the wall, they eat pan, they stand at the pan shop, they sit in hotel, they slang, they use very slangy language. So we are defamed because of all the bearded people. The first thing is manners. So manners you learn at home, you learn here. And here. Manners. Man is not man without manners. Man is not man without manners. Manners makes man. And man makes manners. So your manners. How you behave towards your elders, how you behave towards your friends, how you behave towards when you go out. Now, okay, if you get three things here, now you are exposed to one thing. Well, you are at school, you learn something. In the neighborhood, you learn something. At school, you learn something. Right? School is also very important. Without good school, you cannot do anything. After that, you are exposed to something that is called society. Where you are judged. You are judged in the society. It was a period, even I experienced that. Whenever I was at any wedding place, like now you have many wedding halls, function halls at present, but that time we had limited, like Eden Gardens, uh, Jubilee Function Hall, Banjara Function Hall. These were the all. That you were judged, how you eat at the dining. You should know the etiquette, dining table etiquette, the etiquette of your life, how you eat. So you were judged here. People, they ask you one thing. Where are you from? At what school did you study? At what school did you have your schooling? And what are your parents? Parents are also important. Your siblings, they are important. And your neighbor. This is very dangerous area. Whatever you learn at home, if you learn slangy language at school, you learn slangy language at home, in the neighborhood you do it. And then you bring it to the society. These all three things, 1, 2, 3, you bring it to the society where you are judged. People, they judge you in the society. Your behavior is very important. Your behavior. Now you see attitude. Attitude is nothing but manners. Now, it's commonly used word. Now he has attitude. It's the misuse of language. Attitude is ravaya, your manners. How you behave towards your elders, how you behave toward your neighbors, with anybody, elderly people. And Islam teaches these things.
Yes.
Islam teaches these things, but what we have done, we have squeezed everything and we have kept in the fridge and we talk on the husk. We talk on the husk. And that juice has been taken by the Christians, by the Yehudis, Jews.
Yes.
They follow it. You are not supposed to disturb your neighbors. You should not bring anything on the road that can be an obstacle to others.
Yes.
Cannot be obstacle to others. And how you dress. Man is known by two things, by his dressing and by his language. Man is known by two things. One is dressing. The second thing is language. How you dress, how you wear your tie, and how do you match your shirt, how do you match your pants, how do you wear tie, how do you put a knot. It all counts. Well, some people they wear sherwani, but it should be in a proper position. Do not pull your legs up to here. That is sunnah. But when you are at the party, do as the when you are in Rome, is a proverb. When you are in Rome, do as the Romans do. जब आप रोम में हैं तो लोग जैसा करते हैं वैसे करो आप. Right? अब यहाँ छत्तीसगढ़ में जो आप लुंगी पहन के फिर लो चल जाता, वही लुंगी एबट पे पहन के तो लोग हंसते. Right?
Yes.
अब वहाँ की शूटिंग कर मैं सूट पहन के टाई लगा के शिकार लेने के बाहर खड़े रहा तो एक आदमी गिर जाता देख के, क्या तो भी हो रहा है, एक रोड जाता. Right? So I cannot smoke in the class, I cannot use pipe in the class. I have to be very careful. You should have good dressing concept, dressing, and your mannerism. And personality is from inside.
Yes, sir.
You're, sometimes you're very affable. You mix with people. How you mix with people, how you make friends. There is a book written by Dale Carnegie. It's a book worth reading. How to develop your personality. So personality is sometimes superficial. The term personality is totally different, and the way you behave and your attitude, your manners, your way of speaking, where to speak loudly, where to speak softly. So do not be so soft that people cannot hear you, understand you. Right? So, do you have any question? Any question? Put a question.
That time I say that at the brainstorm, that namaz prayer is permissible for a part of the time,
Right.
but manners is permissible for a whole day.
For a whole day, yes.
Multiple hours.
That was in Urdu.
Yes.
He said in Urdu. So let me speak mother tongue.
Yes, sir.
कि अखलाक नमाज 5 टाइम फर्ज है, 5 वक्त नमाज फर्ज है, लेकिन अखलाक जो है जिंदगी तमाम फर्ज है, जिंदगी तमाम फर्ज है. The way he said that, right? Can you stand and say something to them? What he said in English? Come on here.
Yes.
Come here.
I say to so friends that prayer is permissible for part of a time. We go to prayer for part of a time for Fajr, then after we go for Zohar. But manners is permissible for 24 hours. When you are in home, even when you are in market, that's permissible for your whole life. That's
Right, yes. So any more question? How to develop your personality? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Here we have misconceptions regarding personality. People they challenge will make your personality. How can you make my personality? Personality is, for example, if you want to learn action, so there is certain age that is for teenage. The local vocal cord is made in the teen age. 13 to 19, the vocal cord. That you try to speak in American way, you want to speak in British way. So your vocal cord is very important. And your vocal cord is something that you develop in your teenage. After that you speak phony accent. That's called phony accent. You try to speak, just speak phony, absolutely phony. So the way you are trying to sound like cow, it is cow. Go with the open barrel cow. Cod. But taught, not out, taught. It is M, it is not yum. It is N, not yum. It is O. For example, when you produce voice sound, especially when you speak to people, there should be difference between how you pronounce ear is ear, what you have 2 ears, right? And that is ear. The sound comes from here. Ears. George Bush has planned to visit Paris next year. Yellow. Yes. To yes, you say like this. You say like this. S. S. You say S. But it is yeah. Yes. Yes. And how do you pronounce this word? Pizza. Majority they pronounce it pizza. Right? It is pizza. Pizza. Now pizza. Like phonetic, I give you. Yes. Pizza. Pizza. Now break it down. Pizza. Not za. No za sound comes.
Yes.
Italian food. That is Italian food. Not French, not American. American you have donuts. Others, right? I'm not very foodie, so I cannot tell you all about that. But it was time I eat a lot of pizza. 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 Remember your feet. Always remember your feet. Pizza. Naza. Pizza. And there was a party of Nazis. Hitler's party. That is there is Nazi, not Nazi party of Hitler. Hitler's party, Nazi party is a Nazi party. You go with the word Nazi. is Nazi. Nazi or Nazi. Americans they pronounce Nazi. Nazi or Nazi. Right? So be particular about, because we speak two type of languages, either British or American. The way the British pronounce, American they do not pronounce that way. The way Americans pronounce, British they do not pronounce that way. As you say, after is British, after is American. You say schedule. What is your schedule? I have a hectic schedule. It is American they say schedule. Schedule. Even they have, we call it pavements. Pavement. American they call it sidewalk. Sidewalk. You have taps in the houses. American they say faucet. And in the car you have trunk, dicky, they call it trunk. To hood, to bonnet, car bonnet, they call it hood. Right? So learn language. Language is also very important. I wrote it here. This is very important. Learn this thing. If you do not get chance, to learn at home, you do not have chance to learn at neighborhood, you do not get chance to learn at school.
Yes.
So catch any good institution. I don't talk about hops.
Yes.
Catch any institute where you can be trained in such a way that you come out and speak very boldly, without any hesitation, without drowsiness. Right?
Yes, sir.
If you have any question, you can ask me. Or write down this.
Yes.
Right?